Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have appointed Fernando da Cruz as their new head coach, bringing to a close weeks of intense speculation surrounding the hot seat at Naturena. Da Cruz has agreed to take charge of the Soweto Giants after signing a 2-year contract with an option to extend for another year, making a significant step in the club's effort to rebuild and challenge for major titles. They said in a statement, Kaizer Chiefs are pleased to announce the appointment of Fernando da Cruz as head coach. He has signed a 2-year deal with 1-year option, effective of the 1st of July 2026. And the statement continued to say, born in France, Da Cruz came highly qualified with a UEFA Pro license, the highest coaching certificate in football. Yeah, that's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs. So the appointment follows the departure of co-coaches Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf following the end of their 2-year contracts. Both initially served as assistant to former head coach Nasreddine Nabi, who left the club in October 2025. In the interim, Kaze and Ben Yusuf guided Amakhosi to a top 3 finish as well as CAF Confederations Cup qualifications. Despite that progress, the club opted to make yet another coaching change, signaling that management believe new leadership is needed to return Chiefs to the summit of South African football. Da Cruz is no stranger to the inner workings of Naturena, and he has a long-standing relationship with former head coach Nasreddine Nabi. The two previously worked together at AS FAR Rabat, where Da Cruz served as a technical director. And when Nabi was appointed as Kaizer Chiefs head coach, Da Cruz was set to join him as his assistant. But after 2 weeks into preseason, he left the project to take up a role in the Moroccan Football Federation. The experienced coach, who previously managed French side Lille in their development and also as a first-team coach on an interim basis, is said to be backed with a new-look technical team after the exits of Ellis Mzugi, the goalkeeper coach, Maji Safi, the fitness coach, who bid their goodbyes alongside Kaze and Ben Yusuf. In addition, the club is set to integrate between a South African contingent into the technical team, creating a blend of international expertise with local knowledge. Da Cruz emerged ahead of several high-profile names linked to the job, including Alexandra Santos, Benny McCarthy, Pitso Mosimane, and Manqoba Mngqithi. The decision to go with a foreign coach once again reflects the club's belief that international experience is key to unlocking a new era of success at Naturena. And with a new head coach, a refreshed technical structure, and renewed ambition, Kaizer Chiefs enter the 2026-27 season with a clear direction and commitment to rebuilding. And for a club of their stature and fan base, they hope that Fernando da Cruz is finally the man to awaken the sleeping giants. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Fernando da Cruz as the new head coach of Kaizer Chiefs? Are you impressed with that appointment? Let me hear your thoughts. And Kaizer Chiefs also confirmed that Egyptian Mahmoud Abbas, who previously worked at Saudi First Division Al Wahda as the club's new assistant coach, while Julian Leheran will be the club's new head of sports and science. And he worked with the Moroccan Royal Federations as well as AS Vita. The club has confirmed that they will return to training on Thursday, the 18th of June, and Fernando da Cruz will join them in under a fortnight. So players will be training under the new assistant coach. So yeah, those are the details of Kaizer Chiefs' new coach alongside his technical team. So let me hear your thoughts. Are you impressed with this signing? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.